Getting ready for Easter but struggling to find gifts that actually feel special? Tired of giving the same chocolate eggs every year? Wondering how to choose Easter gifts that feel thoughtful, joyful, and memorable for everyone, kids, adults, and loved ones alike? Looking for meaningful, budget-friendly, and creative Easter gift ideas that go beyond the ordinary? Curious how to mix tradition with modern gifting trends this Easter season? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Easter gift ideas that bring joy, warmth, and heartfelt meaning to every celebration. What makes a perfect Easter gift? The perfect Easter gift blends joy, thoughtfulness, and a touch of springtime charm. It doesn't have to be expensive. What matters most is how well it reflects the recipient's personality and the spirit of Easter. Soft pastels, seasonal treats, and meaningful keepsakes instantly make a gift feel festive and intentional. What are classic Easter gift ideas that never go out of style? Traditional Easter gifts like chocolate eggs, bunny-themed treats, and pastel gift baskets remain timeless for a reason. These gifts instantly evoke nostalgia and celebration, making them perfect for all age groups. Adding a personal touch, like handwritten notes or custom wrapping, keeps these classics feeling fresh. If these ideas are helping you plan Easter gifting, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who's also getting ready for Easter. How can I create a beautiful Easter gift basket at home? Start with a reusable basket or box and layer it with shredded paper or fabric. Add a mix of treats, small toys, candles, or handmade items for balance. Finish with a ribbon or Easter tag to turn a simple basket into a thoughtful, personalized gift. What are meaningful Easter gifts for family members? Meaningful Easter gifts focus on connection. Think personalized mugs, framed quotes, photo keepsakes, or faith-inspired items. These gifts remind family members that Easter is about togetherness, renewal, and love. Choosing something sentimental often leaves a longer-lasting impression than store-bought sweets. Tell us in the comments, do you prefer meaningful keepsakes or sweet treats as Easter gifts? What are fun Easter gift ideas for kids? Kids love gifts that spark imagination and play, such as colouring kits, Easter-themed books, puzzles, or soft plush toys. Adding interactive elements like activity cards or small games keeps them engaged beyond Easter morning. Bright colours and playful designs make these gifts extra exciting. What are thoughtful Easter gift ideas for adults? Adults often appreciate gifts that feel relaxing or practical, such as scented candles, gourmet treats, skincare sets, or elegant home decor. Choosing calm colours and high-quality materials adds a sense of luxury. These gifts turn Easter into a moment of self-care and appreciation. How can Easter gifts reflect the spiritual meaning of the holiday? Faith-inspired gifts like crosses, devotional books, journals, or inspirational quotes beautifully reflect Easter's deeper message. These gifts focus on renewal, hope, and gratitude, making them especially meaningful for loved ones who value tradition and faith. Pairing them with a personal note enhances their impact. Subscribe to the channel for more meaningful, creative, and seasonal gift ideas throughout the year. What are eco-friendly Easter gift ideas? Eco-friendly Easter gifts include reusable baskets, organic chocolates, potted plants, or handmade items. Choosing sustainable materials helps reduce waste while still celebrating in style. These gifts show care not just for loved ones, but also for the planet. How can I give Easter gifts on a budget? Budget-friendly Easter gifts focus on creativity rather than cost. DIY crafts, homemade treats, or curated mini gift sets work beautifully. Shopping smart and repurposing items you already have can make gifts feel thoughtful without overspending. Simple presentation can elevate even the most affordable ideas. Looking for more budget-friendly and creative gift inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. What are unique Easter gifts that stand out? Unique Easter gifts include customized items, themed experience gifts, or handmade creations. These gifts feel special because they're not mass-produced and reflect genuine effort. Adding personalization instantly transforms an ordinary gift into something unforgettable. How can I make Easter gifts feel more personal? Personal touches like names, initials, favorite colors, or custom messages make Easter gifts feel truly one of a kind. Even simple gifts become meaningful when they reflect the recipient's personality. Thoughtful details often matter more than the price tag. Loved any gift ideas you saw here? You'll find similar products conveniently linked in the description below. What are good Easter gift ideas for friends? For friends, choose light-hearted yet thoughtful gifts, such as snack boxes, candles, mugs, or decorative items. These gifts celebrate friendship while keeping things casual and fun. Coordinating colors and themes adds a polished look without being over the top. How can I wrap Easter gifts beautifully? Easter gift wrapping shines with pastel papers, floral prints, twine, and decorative tags. Adding dried flowers or bunny-themed accents creates a charming seasonal feel. Beautiful wrapping builds excitement before the gift is even opened. How do I choose the right Easter gift for everyone? The best Easter gift comes from understanding who you're gifting. Consider their age, interests, and values. A thoughtful approach ensures your gift feels personal, joyful, and meaningful. When in doubt, choose something that spreads warmth and celebration. Easter gifting isn't just about what's inside the box. It's about spreading joy, love, and renewal. Whether you choose classic treats, meaningful keepsakes, or eco-friendly surprises, the right Easter gift creates memories that last far beyond the holiday. Start with intention, add a personal touch, and let your gifts reflect the true spirit of Easter. If this video inspired your Easter gifting, like and share it with friends and family to spread the joy. Comment below and tell us which Easter gift idea was your favorite. Explore our Easter Ideas playlist in the description for even more inspiration. Subscribe for weekly seasonal ideas, gifting tips, and creative inspiration. Watch more similar Easter and holiday videos linked in the description. Find products featured in this video through the links provided in the description.